Welcome student and good morning. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is the map scale. Map Nakasha, scale Praman. Okay. So we have to make a sketch on a paper according to the calculations of a map. Okay. There are many scales which is we drawn on a paper. Look at this painter who is drawing painting, uh, which scene he saw in front of him. He draw sketches on the paper with the taking scale with the help of pencil. Okay, that picture which is shown on the paper derived from this actual scene. Okay, each and every scale he took with the help of pencil and draw it on the paper. So let us continue with the reading. Okay, now look at this second picture. The students were pointing out the different name of the countries which shown on the map. Okay, it is drawn geographically indications of the map on the paper. Okay, and let us continue with the reading and having an answers below these pictures. After studying the picture, have discussions in the class and answer the following questions. Why is a painter holding the pencil in his hand in a particular way? So look at this picture. He is taking a scale of hut or the trees. Okay, whether these trees and hut are correct or not. Okay, the scale on the paper is correct or not. Secondly, how can the scene of this large landscape be depicted on the paper? So it has get a scale in a proportion with the help of pencil on the map. Okay, so the whole this coconut tree and the hut was scaled with the help of this pencil. Okay, look at this distance. This distance may show that this distance also. Okay, or this much of distance. Okay, and it was drawn, the whole scale was drawn on the map. Okay, how is it possible to view all the countries on the world on one map? So it was drawn with the help of the scale taken like 1 centimeter for 1000 kilometer. The scale may be exist like 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. This much of scale was drawn on the paper. Okay, what is the common to both this picture? Both this picture was common. The scale we can say the scale was given. Okay, so let us continue with the reading. The painter first take an estimated scale of the scene in front of him with the pencil. After that he draws a sketch on the paper. The painter does this so that the picture is drawn to scale. Okay, in the preparation of maps, the picture is a first survey. So this is the first activity, that picture is first surveyed. This is the first point. When we draw a map on the paper, we have to take a survey of the actual scene. Okay, actual place. At that time, after spatial observation, a scale is fixed. Using this scale, an outline outline map of the whole earth or a part of it is prepared. Look at the height of these children. Okay, here we have a scale on the left side. Here we have a scale on the left side. The height is fixed like that. Okay. Take a print of photographs with the help of a ruler. Measure the height of your friends from the photographs. Complete the following table. So you have to complete the following table with the help of the scale. From the above table, you must have realized the difference between the actual height and the height in the photograph. You must have also realized that the photograph of everyone's height has decreased in the same proportion. The same principle was applicable in the case of map scale. Look at this second graph. There we have three villages having a different distance from each other. Okay, like this and this. Okay, Nandagaon, Pimpalgaon and Borgaon. Okay, we obtain informations about the earth or some specific part of it from a globe or a map. While preparing the map in order to get the actual ground distance onto paper, some conversions have to be made using geometry, the actual mathematics. The use of map scale is useful for this conversion. Let us get acquainted with this aspect of maps. The actual distance between the two villages of Sahil and Meenal was 50 kilometers, and the distance between the villages of Meenal and Pradnya is 20 kilometers, and between Sahil and Pradnya it is 60 kilometers. So in the 9.4 figure shows the locations of these villages on the map. Okay, the scale of map is 1 centimeter per 10 kg per 10 kilometer. Measures the distance of the map. Find out which village belongs to whom. Note the name of and the distance. Okay, so here the Sahil and Meenal having a 50 kilometer. Sahil and Meenal having a 50 kilometer. Okay, this is the 50 kilometer. This is 50 kilometer. Okay, this is 20 and this is 60. Okay, so here is the 50 kilometer, here is the 20 kilometer. The 50 kilometer was between Sahil and Meenal and Pradnya. Okay, look at this map. This is 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers. There, and this is 20 kilometers, this is 60 kilometers. Okay, so here we can say a Sahil, Meenal and Pradnya. Okay, Pradnya. So here Sahil and Meenal having a 50 kilometer, Meenal and Pradnya having 20 kilometer, and Sahil and Pradnya having 60 kilometer. Okay. So in this way we can identify which village belongs to which student. So we can identify that the Meenal belongs to Nandagaon, Sahil belongs to Pimpalgaon, and Pradnya belongs to Borgaon. Okay. In the map scale, it is essential to correlate the distance between the 2 points on the map and actual distance between these 2 points on the ground. We must have a relations between the actual distance on the ground and the actual scale on the map having a same proportions to the whole map. Okay, the ratio on the map distance is to the ground distance is the map scale. So here we get the definition of map scale. It is important, underline this total. Okay, it may becomes in the examination. To draw a map true to scale, it is essential to know the ground distance. These distances are measured during surveying. While preparing the map, on the basis of distance, a suitable ratio is selected. So, after the preparations of a map, it is necessary to mention the map scale. These facilities, map reading, helps in understanding the distance on the ground. There are three ways of expressing a scale on the map. So here we get the points how to draw a map of actual distance. So here we have a first point, that is first point is here. Okay, first point, it is this is first point. Okay, up to this point, this is first. Now it is for second, this is second, and this is third point up to this. Okay, so students, you have to gather informations about the scale and map of this lesson. You have to draw, you have to get the picture, you have to map the scale of your height on the paper. Okay, so student, we will stop here and continue with the next in the next lecture, next point in the next lecture. Okay.